Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.